Lincoln unveiled the 2019 Nautilus midsize crossover in Los Angeles, taking the wraps, literally, off a ceramic gray version that had been hoisted to the rooftop penthouse of the Dream Hollywood Hotel via crane ahead of its formal introduction Wednesday at the LA Auto Show. Latin for sailor, the Nautilus joins the Continental and Navigator to establish a travel theme in the luxury brand's lineup. Robert Parker, Global Director of Marketing, Sales and Service for Lincoln, said the significant changes made to the midsize SUV made this the right time to switch to a more traditional model name. "We'll do it with other products in the future, we're gonna do it one at a time," he said, without committing to a timetable. The company said nothing about renaming the recently refreshed 2019 MKX compact crossover, for example, nor the MKZ midsize sedan. Parker said the letter-based nomenclature was particularly challenging for customers in China, which has emerged as a key market in Lincoln's third year selling vehicles there. "There's an old adage that the name doesn't make the car makes the name. So there's a degree of that's played into this," Parker said.